before and after. Hey guys, and welcome to another LUMINAR Neo video. This video is going to be experimental and super fast. So idea is that I have this photo, right? Now, I don't even know what I'm going to do and what is going to be the end of it. So, and also, I'm going to finish this edit in less than, let's say, 3 minutes possibly, if not more than 5 minutes. So it's gonna be like a rapid editing in LUMINAR Neo to push its capability. So I have some ideas, but I'm going to use the tools that it provides me. And also I'm going to complain a lot if it doesn't work. For example, any kind of problem with, let's say, the performance. First thing first. So I'm going to crop it, let's say, in portrait. When I say portrait, not necessarily in a portrait mode, but more like 5, 7, if not 4 and 5. So not that cropped, but quite cropped enough. So what I need the head and the edge of that beautiful dress aligned. And then I'm going to go to free and then just a touch until here. So idea is that I have equal amount of bodies in the middle and then equal amount of space left and right. So the crop is done. Okay, time is running out. So I'm going to click apply and we have an image with well crop. Then I'm going to go to the accent AI and then turn up the accent just a little bit. Not too much, not too much, just reasonable. That's done. Now, because it's a portrait, so we're going to go to the portrait department and then we're going to go to the face, then maybe brighten the face a little bit, right? And that should be more than enough. Followed by, still the photo is missing a punch. So in order to do that, I'm going to do an experiment. So I'm going to go to the high key and then let's see, add 35 amount of high key. Then I'm going to go to the dramatic high key if it's giving me something. And then add some contrast. So reduce the black as much as I can. And now we are going somewhere, right? Now we are going somewhere. That being said, while I'm editing here, there's a bit of a branch is leaking. So I'm going to go back to the crop and then, crop just a little bit like that. Why it's not coming down? I don't know. So I'm going to go to free. Now it should work. Now it should work. Then I'm going to click apply. We are back in game. So time is running out once again. So I'm going to go to the color harmony and then add some color. This is a red, beautiful, wonderful image. So I'm gonna add some saturation, not too much, just enough. And I'm gonna go either to the warm or the cooler side. Generally in the portrait, you should stick with the warmer side of it. And that's done. Now, I'm going to test the relight. In the relight, I'm going to try to darken the stair while the foreground, the subject, stays stand out. To do that, brightness, I'm going to reduce. Brightness far, I'm going to reduce. You see, it's not responding immediately because it's actually trying to work on my system. There you go. We are going somewhere. Maybe I can go crazy a little bit. And there you go. Let's see the depth before. Yes, we are going somewhere. You see, this is wonderful. This software has a lot of potential, I gotta say. So yes, now we are there, but it's not done yet. It's not done yet because the skin missing a bit of a color. So to do that, I have two options. One, I can go to the body, but body doesn't offer me any kind of color. So shine removal, that's the one, because the face has too much of a shine, which is not very good in any kind of portrait photography. So you gotta get rid of it. So I'm gonna add some amount. let's say it's just a test. I don't even know if it's gonna work or no. And go to 13. Let's see about 14. Yep, it's good. Just to add some more drama inside the image, I'm going to go to the where is my creative option? There you go. That's my creative, and add some glow. Let's do a little bit. There you go. Now we are talking. And then pretty much it, to be honest with you. I'm just going to stop right there, and then I'm going to show you before and after. So that's before, and that's after. Before and after. How good is that? So yeah, this is not, I could do better. More time I spend, more it will get better. However, that being said, this is already pretty freaking phenomenal. I didn't even use a vignette. The whole idea of vignette is to get rid of the distraction around it so that you can concentrate on the subject. Without use of the vignette, it's already doing a fantastic job. So yeah, that's my super rapid photo editing in Luminar Neo. Hope you liked it. If so, like and subscribe, and I see you very soon.